So now uh, we apply the symbols, because the for different material different symbols are used, and in AutoCAD software uh, we use the symbols of different materials. Means the for concrete we are using the different materials. So to draw the plan elevation and sectional elevation, the plain concrete, then sand, so the symbols are used. So so use use uh, hatch command. So either using the graphical interface, so you see that, so this is a, hatch command. So in drawing toolbar, from drawing toolbar you can choose hatch command, hatch tools, or in command line you type BH. So you see that here the hatch patterns are used. So different hatch patterns are available in AutoCAD database, so you can check it. You see the different symbols. As I have said that for different material the different symbols are used. Okay. Okay, for brick we use, for masonry work, for brick these symbols are used. So the specification is NC 32. So these symbol are used uh, for the brick portion. The brick structures are brick structure having this symbol, and we use this symbol. So okay, and you see the scale. So here the scale I consider 10. So this step footing is made by brick, peak points, okay, see that. So this is not clearly shown, this is not clearly visible, so we change the scale, that is okay, I consider it is 500. So we increase the scale, so it looks better than previous. So you use this symbol, this is a symbol of brick. Again use the symbol of brick, use BH command, and scale is, what scale we apply, that is 500 at peak point. This is the, again this portion, this portion, this portion, use BH command and scale, choose scale 500, then choose boundary, this is the boundary, Okay, then press spacebar or enter and okay. Okay, okay. Now you see that this is a construction line, or it is called helping line, because to develop the elevation the such lines are drawn. So it is I mean the from drawing point of view this line has no meaning, so that's why we erase it. And when uh, when we draw manually, so that time this line is very lighter, and after developing the elevation you erase it. Okay, because this line has no meaning, only to develop the elevation such lines are drawn. So use the erase command to delete this line, then enter, then this line, delete it, erase command. Okay, so this portion, so we have not used brick symbol, so this portion is left. So again we use the bh command, and the scale is 500, enter, enter. Okay, okay. Now we use the symbol of concrete. So again use command bh and choose concrete. See that this is concrete. Okay, concrete. Suppose scale is 10. What happened? You see concrete. So this is the concrete. Okay. Okay. Now it is look better. Or you may increase the scale. So again use page command and increase the scale 20 at peak point. Okay, enter, enter. Okay, so you see that this is a symbol of concrete. Now here the PFS are used. This is single layer BFS. So again I use bh command and choose the brick concrete. Symbol of brick. Okay, at peak point. Enter. So this is not shown, so we have to change, we have to increase the scale. So use the bh command, scale, uh, choose 0.5 at peak point. Okay, enter. Okay, so the brick symbols has not come, so again I choose the appropriate scale. Use the bh command. Okay, so okay, 1.5 at peak point, enter. Again anything is not come. So this is a parapet wall. Then I use bh command, scale, okay, 10 at peak point, enter. Okay. Anything so you see that here the scale we have changed, that is 400, the bigger scales are used. So on so the big symbol now it appear on the screen. So similarly again this again the use of bh command, and the scale you see that larger scale are used, so you have to choose the different scale, and the appropriate scale has been chosen by the trial and error method. Okay, and the appropriate scale you have to choose, okay, by trial and error method. Choose this one, again enter. Okay, now it comes. So here ASF, again I use the bh command, and use the sand. So here the scale for concrete, we take the scale 20 at peak point, enter, enter. So it comes, so it is appeared on window. So this is symbol of peak. Now here we apply the gradient to draw the floor built material, because this is a ASF is applied. So this is a PCC, this is the plain cement concrete. Use the bh command and select concrete. Okay, 20 at peak point, and okay, so you see that here the PCC having width is 1000 mm, and this portion is called the substructure. This portion is called the below the ground level substructure, and the steep footings are used, uh, and this is called depth of footing. Depth of footing. This is plinth height. Okay. Now we use gradient to apply the color, because here the DPC are used, is the dam proof concrete, to prevent the water towards the wall. To make waterproof, so again use pH command, and see the gradient, the color we choose. Okay, this color we consider. Again at peak point, enter, enter. So here the ASF value, so again use pH command, gradient, color, uh, so this color we are going to apply at so this is also PCC, this is also reinforced concrete, because this is a slab, so slab it is a reinforced concrete, this is not a PCC, reinforced concrete structure, the material is reinforced concrete. So again I use pH command, and choose the appropriate material. Okay, choose the concrete at peak point. Okay, okay. Again this portion is waterproofing layer having thickness 75 mm. Use the command gradient, okay. This is also this concrete. So again use pH command, at peak point. Okay, okay. Now we apply the dimension and the also we apply the text because this is a sectional elevation. So for to give the dimension, the command is uh, for so first you change the dimension style. So this is a dimension style I have chosen, and go to modify. The color is by block, you may use different color. So here I use by block, line type also by block. The different lines are available in AutoCAD database, so you choose appropriate line type and line weight. Then the extent beyond dim line, dimension line, so that is 50. So if you change the, so here I consider 50, so you may change it. So and automatically the what type of dimension uh, what type of dimension will what type of dimensions are used, that you can check on this window. So if you change the dimension, which change the value, then automatically the dimensioning patterns are also changed. Suppose I use the 100, so what happens, you see, okay, it is automatically changed. So on window, so the appropriate unit, appropriate value you choose by trial and error method, and which look better, which is understandable, so that you study and choose the appropriate value. So I choose 50 mm, sorry 50, and the offset from origin. So this is, suppose we are so we want to give the dimension of this line, then offset from the origin means this is the origin and the offset we consider. So here the 350 I have considered symbols and arrows. Okay, so different type of symbols are available in AutoCAD database. So you choose the appropriate symbols. Means here I use the oblique, the second arrowhead. You may use also arrowhead. The second we consider oblique, then leader is oblique, then arrow size I have considered 0.5. You can change the arrow size also. Then text I have considered horizontal, text height I have considered 50. You may change it. Okay, so which is appropriate, and by trial and error method you find it. Fit the primary units, you see that you can change the precision. So after decimal, how many decimal fractions you have considered, how many digit you want to consider, that also you can take. Okay, so here after decimal only the one value we consider, and again the alternate unit. So alternate unit also you can give, so that is a prefix and suffix. So when I display alternate units, so automatically the dimension will come, and you can use the value of the dimension. Then tolerance. Okay, so this is all about dimension style. So now I choose it. So I use, for giving the dimension, go to the dimension and linear. Okay, means if I use the graphical interface, or you may use command, that is DAL. Okay, DAL is the command to apply the linear dimension. So I think it is not looking better, so you have to change. And also this dimension is also not correct, because the uh, width of footing slab is 1000 mm. So now here it is 875 mm, so you have to change it. So go to to change the dimension style, press command D, then modify, okay, here I choose 25, then this is offset from origin, that I have considered 100. Okay, close. Okay, then I did not look better. Again I change, go to modify, and this is 150 I suppose, and this is 25. Okay, close. Okay, again I change. So this is a trial and error. So which one is uh, the which dimension appearance is looking better, that you have to select. So that is 300. Okay, close. Again I change the dimension style. uh, okay, this is 75. Sorry, enter. Okay, close. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, so this width is 1000, so that we have to change. Erase command, erase command, delete it. Okay, this length is 750, and the width of slab is 1000. So 1000 minus 750, that is 250. So 150 25 mm offset from both sides. So take 125 mm offset from both sides, or I mean you increase the length, use the lengthening command. So select delta, then offset distance 125. This is 125. Enter. Sorry. Again take the offset command, and the depth of footing slab is 100. Enter 100. Ortho on. Enter. Again use the line command. Okay, use the BH command. Concrete brick point. Okay, choose the boundary. Okay. Now apply the dimension. You see that now it is 1000 mm. Okay, again I use the DL command. This is 100 mm. Use the DL command. This is 750. This is 750. So yeah, sorry. 625. DL command. DL command. Okay. Then height of the riser. $150. $150. use the TL command. This is 250 mm, not use the line command, TL command. TL command. Okay, so again I change the dimensions type. Modify it. So offset from origin that I consider 50 mm. Close. Command. So that width of window is how much? That is 1000, and again I want to change the dimensions type. Modify is 250. Okay. Close. And is the modify. 20 or 10. Okay. Offset. This is beyond dim time, so I consider it is 100. Okay, close. Okay, now it look better. Now you see that this is 1000. Okay, remove it. Then I use the DL command. Thousand mm. Use the DL command. This is 50 mm. Similarly, use span view. Span view. This is a type of this is a window type 2. Again I use DL command. Use DL command. DL command. So this is 1200. Then width of door, this dimension is 0.9. Use the command DL opening, the 900.